Oh, Jess. Ba't ka tumatayo dyan? This is your first time to visit the Philippines, your homeland.
Dad, I'm excited. Pero, kinakabahan ako eh.
Bakit ka naman kakabahan?
Do they really know me here? Baka mami wala naman sumalubog sa atin, nakakahiya.
Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's get off the plane, malalaman natin. Tumayo ka na dyan. Nothing to worry about. One thing you have to remember, Jasmine, marami sa mga kababayan natin ay mahirap ang pamumuhay. But Filipinos are still one of the most hospitable people. Lalo na sa mga katulad mo, sa mga taong nagbibigay ng karangalan sa kanila. You made a lot of Filipinos proud, and most importantly, you have given them hope. At bilang kapalit, ayan, pinapakita nila sa iyo ang pagmamahal nila. You should wave at them. Ipakita mong mahal mo rin sila.
Nabighani niya ang buong mundo dahil sa kanyang magandang tinig at nakakagiliw na karisma. Isa siyang Pilipinang laking Hawaii na nagbigay karangalan sa ating bansa nang marating niya ang top 3 sa sikat na singing competition na American Idol. Minsay isang napakamahiyaing bata. Subalit ngayon, isa na siyang tanyag na international recording artist. Pero gaano ba kahirap ang daang kanyang tinahak bago niya narating ang rurok ng tagumpay? Mga kaibigan, samahan niyo po akong tunghayan at alamin ang kwento ng pamumulaklak ni Jasmine Trias.
Lara? Where's Jasmine? Saan na naman nagpunta yung batang yan? Ayaw may mangyari sa kanya. I don't want her to get hurt. Where is she?
Ayun, no, naglalaro. Ikaw talaga masyado kang protective dyan sa anak mo.
Jas!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Lara? Come.
Little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond.
Sa murang edad pa lamang, kinakitaan na si Jasmine ng talento at hilig sa pag-awit. Kaya naman hinubog ng kanyang ina ang talento niyang ito hanggang sa siya'y magdalaga.
You know, Jazz, you're really getting better, huh? Don't you think it's about time i-share mo yung talent mo sa iba?
Yeah. Why not? Show off your talent. But Jas, telling you, no boyfriends. Not yet.
No boys allowed. Hey, Daddy, can I have a boyfriend?
Oh, come on. Don't even think about it. Jas. Seryoso ako rito. You look at me. I am serious.
Yes, Daddy. Pero, Mami, alam niyo naman na mahihain ako, di ba? Tulad nga nung recital.
Eh, ano naman ang kinahihiya mo?
Hindi ko nga po alam, basta parang natatakot lang ako na baka Mami magkamali ako.
Ako, Jazz, everybody makes mistakes, no? Ang importante, sinubukan mo, nagkamali ka. Kasi naman nagkamali ka dahil di mo sinubukan. Understand?
Actually, Mami, parang hindi ko yata nakuha yun.
You're an intelligent girl. Naintindihan mo ako. Sige na, bis na. You'll be late for school.
Okay.
Come on, breakfast.
Bagamat may tinatagong talento, lumaking mahiyain si Jasmine. Walang kumpiyansa sa sarili, kaya naman may pagkakataong naging malungkutin ito.
Jazz, are you okay?
Mami,
Kanina ka pa nakatitig dyan sa dagat. Binibilang mo yata mga alon eh. Is there a problem?
I feel I don't belong. I mean, I just feel I'm being left out.
Ano ibig mo sabihin?
Mami, bata pa lang ako, I had dreams na maging sikat akong singer. Pero habang tumatanda ako, parang hindi naman siya nagkakatotoo. And worst, I feel I'm becoming
Becoming what?
nothing.
Well, I think that's good.
Ano? Ang sinasabi ko, habang tumatanda ako, parang wala pong direksyon yung buhay ko, tapos it's good?
Kasi nga, ganyan ang nararamdaman mo. So, sisiguraduhin mo na magkakaroon ng direksyon yung buhay mo. Susubukan mo abutin yung mga pangarap mo, di ba?
Hindi ko po kayo maintindihan.
Jazz, ano nakikita mo?
Walang katapusang karagatan, am I right?
Yes, exactly. Ganyan ang buhay ng tao. Napakaraming possibilities. Kung gagamitin mo ang full potential mo, may talent ka. Abutin mo yung pangarap mo. Gamitin mo ang talent mo.
Lara, what? Are you coming?
Yes.
We'll be back in a while. Don't stay too long on the phone with boys. No phone calls from boys.
Dad, as if anybody calls me.
Whatever, see you later.
Bye.
Isinapuso ni Jasmine ang payo ng kanyang ina. Kaya naman, nang tumambad sa kanya ang pagkakataong maipamalas ang kanyang talento, naglakas loob siyang sumali. Subalit, hindi ito magiging madali para kay Jasmine.
Hey, Michelle, it's about the school's annual singing contest.
Oh yeah, who you bet's gonna win this time?
Who else but you, right?
Unless another better singer comes along our school.
Have you heard anyone better than me lately, Brian?
Whatever.
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, whatever.
Your hips?
Oh, why? What's wrong?
Hindi, nervous ako eh.
Anong dapat mo ikinervyos, no? I've heard you sing 1,000 times. Kaya mo yan. Mas magaling ka dyan.
Pero siguro mas maniniwala kung di nanggaling sa mami ko yun, di ba?
And here's our next contestant. Here's Miss Jasmine Trias.
Oh, you're good. Go!
I think she's praying. Well, she's gonna need more than prayer to beat me, don't you think?
Hey, are you gonna sing or are you gonna pray?
Shut up. The intro of the song, stupid.
Thinking of you here and now. Can't forget the love I found. Happy faces, living pages, almost anywhere. Don't know how this love existed. To say it's magic, I can't tell. Bliss and gladness, fate and wisdom. I see this when you call with you. You will see me through, 'cause this love's for me and you. By the heavens above, there's a place and a home, and I see this when you come. I could never ask for more. There's a place and a home, and I see this when you call. There's a place and a home, and I see this when you call.
Nalabanan ni Jasmine ang takot at nerbiyos. Nagulat ang buong eskwelahan nang marinig ang pag-awit ni Jasmine. Hindi nila inakala na ang mahiyaing si Jasmine maitinatago palang malaanghel na tinig. Sa kanyang unang pagsali sa patimpalak na iyon, siya ang itinanghal na winner. Mula noon, ay nagsunod-sunod ang kanyang pagsali at pagkapanalo sa iba't ibang singing competitions sa Hawaii. Kasabay nito, nagsimula ring umibig ang puso ni Jasmine hanggang sa...
It's late. Asan na yung anak mo?
Siguro kasama mga kaibigan niya. She's a teenager, you know. Normal lang kasama mga kaibigan.
She's a teenager, you know. Baka may boyfriend na yan.
Si ate!
Bye. Hey.
Punta? Sino yung lalaking kasama mo?
Lagot ka, ate!
Si Brian po.
Who is Brian?
Yung lalaki po.
Who is Brian?
He's my boyfriend.
Uy, may boyfriend na daw si ate!
Didn't I tell you? No boyfriends yet! Go to your room. You're grounded. We're gonna talk about this later. Now. Now. See, I told you so. It's your fault. You always give her everything that she wants. Masyado mo kasing binabarkada yung anak mo. Tingin mo, namimihasa, lumalakas ang loob. Paminsan-minsan, Nora, maging ina ka naman. Disiplinahin mo yung anak mo.
Pwede ba? Huwag mo kong tuturuan maging ina. I know what I'm doing, okay?
Well, ang sa akin lang, ayoko magsisi sa petang huli. Just watch over her.
Jazz?
Mommy, why is he like that?
Anak, I know your dad can be a pain in the you-know-where sometimes. But remember, nagagawa niya yun dahil mahal na mahal ka niya.
Pero ano bang masama sa pagbo-boyfriend? Yung mga kaibigan ko, ganun din naman ang ginagawa. Eh, tsaka, wala naman kami ginagawa na bawal eh.
Sigurado ka?
Mami, bakit po ba hindi ako pwede maging normal lang na teenager?
Jazz, natatandaan mo nung sinabi mo sa akin noon, gusto mo maging isang sikat na singer. Ayaw mo maging isang pangkaraniwan tao lang. Di ba?
Ano naman pong kinalaman nun?
Sa tingin ko, ganyan din ang paniniwala ng daddy mo. May isang nakalaan sa yung bagay na mas importante pa at mahalaga kesa sa pakikipag-boyfriend.
Labis na ikinalungkot ni Jasmine ang paghihigpit ng kanyang ama. Subalit, hindi nagtagal. Napagtanto niyang ang kabutihan lamang niya ang inaalala ng kanyang ama. Kaya naman, ibinaling na lamang ni Jasmine ang kanyang atensyon sa kanyang pangarap.
Do you want to be the next Kelly Clarkson or Ruben Studdard? Now you can because the American Idol is coming to Hawaii. Season 3
did you see
will
that?
hold auditions for aspiring pop stars at the Aloha Stadium this September.
Meron silang singing contest
Prepare
sa
to
Channel
face
11
the
at ang
Randy,
mananalo,
Paula,
papadala
and
nila sa
Simon,
Los
and get
Angeles
ready
para
to be the
mag-audition
next
sa American Idol.
American Idol.
What do you think?
Ikaw, what do you think?
I think I should try it.
Why not? Walang mawala sa'yo.
Wag na, sayang lang ang oras ninyo. Kaya mo na lang, payagan mo na lang yung anak mo mag-boyfriend.
Pinaghandaan ni Jasmine ang papalapit na singing competition na iyon. Sumailalim siya sa voice lesson dahil para sa kanya, ito na ang simula ng katuparan ng kanyang mga pangarap.
Okay, thank you very much. I want to congratulate all our contestants because you have shown us the abundant talent that Hawaii has. But unfortunately, only 2 will go to LA to have the chance to audition for American Idol. And our 2 winners are Mary Pauline Aquino and Amy Volado.
Hindi nanalo si Jasmine sa naturang kompetisyon at dahil dito, hindi rin siya pinalad na makapunta sa Los Angeles kung saan magkaganap ang auditions para sa nationwide singing competition na American Idol. Kaya naman, buong inggit na lamang niyang pinanood ang programang iyon sa telebisyon.
Be the next American Idol. Come and join Channel 11's next Idol singing contest. The two
American
winners
Idol?
that will be chosen will get an all-expense paid trip to
What was that? Nanonood ako eh.
Do you want to be
You know,
the
Jasmine, you
next
should
Kelly
watch
Clarkson
this.
or Ruben Studdard?
Malay mo next year, makasali ka.
American
At least
Idol
may
is
idea ka na kung anong
prepared to
gagawin mo.
face judges
Ako, para sa akin, qualified na
Paula
qualified
and
ka na.
Simon, and get ready to
Watch.
be the next
Yeah, right, Dad.
American Idol.
What is your problem?
Daddy, please, tigilan niyo na ako. I'm not in the mood. Nag-aaral po ako para sa exam ko eh.
Why, what's wrong? What's wrong with giving a little bit of encouragement?
Hindi. Inaasar niyo lang naman ako eh. And it won't work out. Dad, ayoko na sumali sa American Idol or any other contest. Buti pa ito na lang mga bagay na ito itutuloy ko. Yung mga pwede magkatotoo.
Sit down. I'm still talking, I'm not done yet. Jasmine, I may not be that person who can give you the best advice to your problems. And I am not as understanding as your mom is towards you. And certainly, I am not a perfect father. Pero isang bagay lang ang alam ko, Jazz. Ni minsan hindi ko itinuro sa'yo na isuko mo ang mga pangarap mo. Never.
Pwede na po ba akong pumasok ng kwarto?
dahil sa kanyang pagkabigo. Naging madamdamin si Jasmine, lalo na sa mga biro ng kanyang ama. Kaya naman, minabuti na lamang ni Jasmine na manahimik at ituon ang kanyang oras sa pag-aaral.
Bills, letter from the Philippines.
Jazz, this is for you. Ito yata yung scholarship na iniintay mo eh. I'll open it for you, ha?
Wait, let me see this.
Ako, magbubukas. Ako, nininervyos na ako.
What? Kalas? Pumasa ba?
Siyempre, pumasa. Matalino anak
Yes,
ko.
yes! Congratulations, Jasmine. I'm so proud of you. Tamang-tama. Makakatipid tayo sa scholarship na ito. Yung pera na itabi natin, bakit hindi natin gamitin? Pang-bakasyon.
Kailan tayo magbabakasyon dati?
Bakit hindi?
Ba, puro kakalokohan. Purihin mo muna ang purihin niya anak mo.
Seriously, congratulations. I truly am very proud of you. This is good.
Thank you, Dad. Excuse.
Okay, guys. Take a bath. Come on.
Anong problema ng anak mo? Nagda-drugs ba yan? Na hindi ba lang siya na-excite sa scholarship na yan?
Baka naman. Alam mo naman kung bakit, hindi ba?
Kung mangarap ng mangarap, tapos biglang susuko, she just gives up.
Paano? Napaka-encouraging mong ama.
Kasalanan ko pa ngayon. Lahat naman ng gusto niya. Binibigay ko naman, sinusuportahan ko naman. Puwera lang yung magka-boyfriend siya, ha?
Oo, sige, ikaw nagbabayad lahat ng lessons niya. But that's not enough. Kailangan i-motivate mo siya. Guide her.
Hindi ba trabaho mo yun?
Sige. Magpakapilosopo ka. Pag lumayo ang loob ng anak mo sa'yo, walang sisihan. She needs a father, Rudy, not just a provider.
Bagamat nakakuha si Jasmine ng nursing scholarship, may lungkot pa rin siyang nadarama dahil malayo ito sa pangarap na kanyang pinakaasam.
Nora! Come here, watch this. Darating dito ang American Idol for auditions dito sa Hawaii.
Jess, have you heard the news? What? Ang American Idol mag-audition dito sa Hawaii.
Sigurado kayo dito sa Hawaii, ang American Idol?
Watch!
If you think you've got what it takes to be the next American Idol, join Channel 11.
But what's the point?
Next Idol Singing Contest.
Hindi ka naman interesado, di ba?
This might just be your ticket to becoming a pop superstar.
Ikaw naman, oh. Nananadya ka na dyan, eh.
Relax ka lang, don't worry. Reverse psychology lang yan. I'll take care of it. Kakusapin ko siya.
Bahala ka.
May problema ka, Jazz. Gusto mong makilala, gusto mong sumikat, gusto mong sumali sa American Idol. Pero wala kang ginagawa. Hindi ba problema yan?
Dad, it's my life. Huwag niyo na ako pakailaman.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. I cannot do that. Jazz, you are my daughter. I am your father. It is my duty to see to it that you reach your dreams. And at the same time, dahil sa pagmamahal ko sa'yo, hindi ko hayaan na mapulo ka lang dito. I believe in you, Jazz. I believe in your talent. One more thing. Kahit anong mangyari, gusto kong malaman mo na nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Susuportahan kita. I promise. Ayan. Nasabi ko na sa'yo ang gusto kong sabihin. Pero gaya ng sabi mo, it's your life. Ikaw pa rin ang magde-decide kung ano gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo.
Dad, are you disappointed with me?
No, of course not. Jasmine, matalino ka. Maganda ka. Wala na akong kailangan hingilin pa. It's just that you just expect too much from yourself. Kaya masyadong mataas yung mga pangarap mo eh. So don't ever disappoint yourself. Naintindihan mo ko?
Apo.
Mula sa tagpong iyon, nagkaroon ng bagong pag-asa at lakas ng loob si Jasmine na muling balikan at abutin ang kanyang pangarap. Nagpasya siyang mag-audition sa American Idol.
Are you sure this is the place?
Yeah, I got the info sa internet.
Wow, look at this line.
Dad, ang dami-daming tao.
Resume? Wow. Let's park the car, okay? I'll get our thing. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Okay, Dad.
Labis ang pagkagulat ni Jasmine nang makita ng libo-libo ang mga kabataang tulad niya ang gustong mag-audition sa American Idol. Sa mga oras na iyon, napagtanto ni Jasmine na hindi magiging madali ang landas sa kanyang tatahakin patungo sa kanyang pangarap.
Jasmine, I got you some food.
Dad,
Yeah?
maybe you should go home. Oh, I'll be fine.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Di ba nasabi ko na sa'yo? Kahit ano mangyari, nandito ako lagi sa tabi mo. I'm fine.
Pero Dad, I didn't think na ganito kadami mag-auditions para sa American Idol. Parang hindi na mauubos eh. Tsaka, parang nararamdaman ko hindi na ako mapipili.
Huwag mong iisipin yan. Don't worry about it. Alam mo, karamihan sa mga to, wala. Gusto lang nilang lumabas sa TV. Panggulo. Jazz, one thing I need you to know. Dreams are not easy to attain. Mahirap yan. Minsan, dadaan ka pa nga sa butas ng karayom eh, bago mo makamit ang gusto mo. But the thing is, yung kabayaran, yung sarap ng pakiramdam kapag nakuha mo. Di ba?
Tama ka, Dad. At kaya ako nandito. I promise you, Daddy, I'll be the next American Idol.
Now that's the spirit. That's what I wanna hear. Kumain ka na. Pagkatapos ito, matulog ka na maaga, kahit maingay. Para bukas may energy ka. Jazz? Jazz? Wake up.
Saan po yan?
Dumadami lalo mga tao. Kumpisa na yata eh. Pumila ka na. Dali mo nitong resume mo. Lots of people. Get ready na. Now na. I brought coffee for you.
Thanks, Dad.
Fast, ha?
Pa.
Your coffee. Later?
Excuse me. What's happening there? Why are the people coming out of the tent going into two different directions?
Oh, the people going to the left are the ones who didn't pass the auditions, while the ones going on the right have advanced to the next round.
So you mean there's a second level of auditions after this one?
And the third, that's where you're going to meet Randy, Paula, and Simon.
Okay, thanks.
Next, your name is...
Mga kwento ng tagumpay at pag-asa sa buhay, lalo mo nang aabangan. Bawat linggo, sagutin kung sinong nagbigkas ng salitang magpakailanman. Text MKM, A or B and send to 4627 or 2364. Dito'y pwede kang manalo ng 10,000 pesos na papremyo.
Magpakailanman, hindi magbaba.
Mahaba ang proseso at mabusisi ang paraan ng pagsala sa mga mag-audition sa American Idol. Ilang auditions ang kailangan nilang pagdaanan. Kabilang na dito ang screening na isinasagawa ng mga producers ng American Idol. Pinalad si Jasmine na makapasa dito. Subalit ang tunay na pagsubok sa kanilang galing ay talagang masusukat sa pagharap nila sa mga judges na sina Randy Jackson, Paula Abdul at Simon Cowell.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Relax. Mukha kang nininervyos eh.
Daddy, mapipili kaya ako.
Bakit naman hindi?
Kasi ang gagaling nila lahat eh.
Magaling ka rin naman ah. We've gone this far. No turning back.
Alam ko naman yun eh. At saka hindi ako susuko. I just wanted your opinion.
Show off.
Next, number 49030, Jasmine Trias.
Ikaw rin ah. Pumunta ng Hollywood. Good luck.
I got it!
Abot langit ang tuwa at galak ni Jasmine. Gayon din ang kanyang pamilya nang makapasa siya sa audition ng American Idol. Pakiramdam niya, ito na ang simula ng katuparan ng kanyang pangarap.
Mami, sayang naman di ka makakasama.
Well, someone in this family has to work. Tsaka alam mo namang mahirap mag-leave sa hospital eh. Andiyan naman daddy mo.
Oy, kahit na nasa Hollywood na tayo, no boyfriends pa rin.
Mami, alam mo, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na pupunta na ako ng Hollywood.
Kung ako ang tatanungin mo, ni hindi sumagi sa isip ko yan.
Ganun pa talaga kayo ka-confident sa akin?
But of course, no, una pa lang kitang narinig na kumanta nung bata ka. Alam ko na may dahilan ng Diyos kung bakit ka binigyan ng ganyang talento. Pero Jazz, meron tayong kasabihan sa Pilipinas, ha? Ang taong hindi marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan, hindi makakarating sa paroroonan.
Mami, ang lalim yata. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Isa lang ang gusto kong maging ibig sabihin nun. Kahit saan ka man makarating, huwag mong kakalimutan ang mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo at ang tunay mong pagkatao.
Ano pa yung tunay na pagkatao?
May dugo ka pa rin na Filipino. At ang Pilipino, kahit anong hirap, kahit gaano kalakas ang kalaban, hindi sumusuko. Ha? Naintindihan mo? Hindi. Naintindihan mo ako.
Okay, let's go.
Daddy,
Hollywood, here we come.
Bantayan mo yan.
Take care of her.
I will.
Good luck.
Good call.
Mga kwento ng tagumpay at pag-asa sa buhay, lalo mo nang aabangan. Bawat linggo, sagutin kung sinong nagbigkas ng salitang magpakailanman. Text MKM, A or B and send to 4627 or 2364. Dito'y pwede kang manalo ng 10,000 pesos na papremyo.
Magpakailanman, hindi
Pagdating ni Jasmine sa Pasadena, California, nagpatuloy ang pagsala ng American Idol sa mga mag-audition. Dumaan ulit si Jasmine sa ilang napakahirap na qualifying rounds.
Oh, ngayon lang natapos ang rehearsals, no? Oh, here, I ordered some food for you. Kumain ka muna. Here, we got sandwich, juice. Jazz.
Gayunpaman, nagawa ni Jasmine na pumasa sa mga ito at makasama sa LA, kung saan naramdaman ni Jasmine ang matinding pressure dahil lahat ng mga kasama niya dito pawang magagaling. Pero sa huli, napili si Jasmine bilang isa sa mga top 12 finalists dahil na rin sa husay niya sa pag-awit at sa kanyang kagiliw-giliw na personalidad. Sa edad na 16 na taon, isa siya sa mga pinakabatang finalists. Unti-unti na siyang napapalapit sa kanyang pangarap. Hanggang sa...
Mukhang palapit na ng palapit yung sinasabi mong you'll be the next American Idol, Jasmine. Why aren't you preparing? Makikilala mo si Mr. Elton dyan. Patulog-tulog ka lang dyan. Get up.
Daddy, I don't feel good. Masakit na lalamunan ko eh.
Paano ka naman makakakanta niyan? Get up. You'll see a doctor. Get up.
Laryngitis, tonsillitis, and a sore throat.
So she can't sing. She has to practice by tomorrow.
She shouldn't even be speaking. See?
Well, can you give something, at least to relieve it? Anything, a prescription or...
I can write her a prescription, but she shouldn't be talking for the whole day.
Okay.
As much as possible.
So that means she'll be able to sing for tomorrow's competition?
Even if she does get better, I don't think she will be in the condition to be able to sing. I'm very sorry.
Ano, Jasmine? Ikaw, milyon-milyon ang manonood sa'yo. Baka mapahiya ka lang. You know what? I'll call up the producers. I'll explain it to them. Sigurado naman, maintindihan nila ang sitwasyon.
Daddy, no. The show must go on. Hindi ako napunta rito para suko. Yun naman tinuro niya sa akin ni Mama, di ba? Let's go home. I need to rest.
Okay. Huwag ka na magsalita, ha? Pahinga mo na yan. Is it, Doctor?
Masama man ang pakiramdam at kulang sa ensayo, buong tapang pa rin sumabak si Jasmine sa kompetisyon. Subalit, dahil nga sa kanyang sakit, hindi naging maganda ang kanyang performance.
I think these are the best songs for you, but you were a little pitchy, and what happens is that sometimes when you go for those high notes, you hit just underneath them.
Okay, you fall a little bit off pitch, and I really love when you color it up more.
You're not doing enough to win. You're not. You're not just winning. You're not.
Bakit malungkot ka?
Dad, tingin ko hindi na ako makaka-advance sa next level ng Final 3. Malamang next week tanggalan mo ako.
You can never say. Pero kung sakaling ganun nga mangyari, well, ang mahalaga, alam namin that you did your best. American Idol man o hindi, mahal ka pa rin namin ng mami mo. Kami ang #1 fan mo. And you make us very, very proud.
Tila naubos na ang pag-asa ni Jasmine dahil sa pangyayaring iyon. Subalit noong gabi ding iyon, dumagsa ang tawag sa telepono ng kanyang mga fans upang iboto siya para manatili sa programa. Dahil sa suporta ng kanyang mga fans, nakapasok sa top 3 si Jasmine.
Leaving us tonight on American Idol is Jasmine Trias.
Isang malaking karangalan para sa isang Pilipinang tulad niya ang maipamala sa buong mundo ang husay at talino ng mga Pilipino sa larangan ng pag-awit.
Sana laging nasa isip mo, ikaw ay narito sa puso ko. Ang dami kong na hinihiling, ikaw ang kapiling.
Dahil sa kanyang tagumpay, nakilala siya sa buong mundo, lalong-lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, ang bayang kanyang pinagmulan. Kaya naman, sa kanyang unang pagdalaw sa Pilipinas, naging napakainit ng pagtanggap ng mga kababayan natin sa kanya.
Bakit nga kaya lumayo sa piling ko ating nakaraan?
Kahit saang bahagi man ng mundo ako makarating, sa puso ko, mananatili akong Pinoy, magpakailanman.
Hinahanap-hanap ka, mga pangarap ko sana'y matupad. Paano na ang puso kong ito, na inalay ko sa'yo? Panalangin ko sana malaman mo, tukot ng puso ko. Pag-ibig ko'y totoo, sana laging nasa isip mo. Ikaw ay narito sa puso ko. Ang dami ko na hinihiling, ikaw ang kapiling. Sana lagi mong
Kalakip ng kanyang tagumpay, ang pagkinang ng pangalang Jasmine Trias. Kaya naman, agad nating nakita si Jasmine Trias sa iba't ibang mga TV commercials.
Mga kwento ng tagumpay at pag-asa sa buhay, lalo mo nang aabangan. Bawat linggo, sagutin kung sinong nagbigkas ng salitang magpakailanman. Text MKM, A or B and send to 4627 or 2364. Dito'y pwede kang manalo ng 10,000 pesos na papremyo.
magpakailanman hindi magbago.
So Jasmine, did you ever think that you'd become as popular as you are now?
No, I never thought I'd become even as close to as popular as I am right now.
When did that start, that you wanted to be a singer?
Since I was a little girl, I've always wanted to sing. Singing and music was my biggest passion. And I'd always enter in competitions, talent contests.
Mahirap ba ang desisyon na sumali sa American Idol?
No.
Or right away, naisip mo, ay, sasali ako dyan.
Exactly.
Right away, you said,
Right
you
away,
know,
I was like, I want to do that. There was about 3,000 people waiting in line. I camped out for 2 days.
Really?
2
And how
days.
many were to be chosen from among the 3,000?
8.
8 lang from 3,000. How did you prepare for that?
I tried to get a lot of rest, drink lots of water, practice my songs, vocalize a lot.
How did that feel? Yung nag-audition ka at napakarami mong competitors, no?
It was pretty intimidating. I was 16 at the time, so still in high school, and I was a very quiet person, very shy, very much to myself, and I would always be focusing on school. But seeing all that competition, seeing all the other great talent and older people, it intimidated me a little bit.
Was there any point during the competition where you thought you would not win at all?
Oh yeah, there was a lot of times where I would lose hope, but with the support of my family and knowing that I had the support from Hawaii, from the Philippines, and from all of the Filipinos all over the world, it really motivated me to keep on going and to keep on pushing forward.
All right, was there ever a point there that you thought you would be number one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Of course. And when was this?
This was, I believe, it was my very first time on that stage, top 12, when I sang Inseparable. When I made it to top 12, I was so happy. Just to be on that stage and to feel that kind of emotion, the judges in front of you, the cameras there, that's when I really realized my potential. I was like, you know, I can really do this.
Ano ba yung ultimate ambition?
To be the biggest international superstar, to represent for the Philippines everywhere I go. There's not that much representation of the Filipinos mainstream in the US, whether it be singing, acting, so I really want to get out there and do that.
Paano ka nga ba maka-penetrate sa mainstream sa Amerika?
Well, I'm going to keep on doing shows. I'm going to keep on putting myself out there and to keep on making songs on my album, you know, promote the album, to do as much as I can, just to work hard and to keep focused on this career and to keep it going.
Do you have an American agent now?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do?
Well, she's Filipino also. She lives in Los Angeles. But yeah, she is managing me at this point, and she's been doing a very good job.
You've stopped schooling since American Idol.
Yes. I do want to go back to college.
College?
Yes. I graduated from high school. After that, you know, this whole career kind of took off.
What do you want to take up in college?
Now I want to take up business management.
Why that?
Because it works, it ties in with what I'm doing right now.
If, for instance, hindi ka pwedeng mamili, you would only have a choice, one choice, between school and career, what would it be?
Career.
Career. I knew it would be career. What about your personal life? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you go out? Do you ever go out?
Yes, I do.
Enjoy, gimmick, as they call it here?
I try to. This past Christmas, I got some time off to spend with my family and my friends, and a lot of my friends from college came back home to visit their family as well. So all of us got to reunite and we got to hang out again. So yes, I do spend time with my friends and family whenever I can, but no boyfriend right now.
Bakit? Pero gusto mo magka-boyfriend?
My career is #1 right now.
Pwede naman may boyfriend, may career eh. Diba? Pwede naman yun, diba?
There are two big commitments. And my biggest commitment right now is my career. And I don't want any distractions. I'm just so focused on it.
Sige. You're 19 now. At what age mo gusto mag-umpisa sa personal life mo?
Well, I do have a personal life right now, but if I want to, you know, start dating or have a boyfriend, that kind of thing, that probably won't start until I feel that my career is there and I have established myself as a Filipino superstar, you know, in the U.S. And until I complete my dream, until I accomplish that dream, that can happen.
Ngayon, ang gusto mo ba Filipino, Amerikano?
I don't really have a preference.
Talaga?
Yeah, it depends on the person. Someone that's very caring, very thoughtful, very sweet. Someone that, you know, will take care of my kids later down the line.
And understand your career.
Of course, and understand what I do. He really has to understand what I do at first, because it is a tough business to understand sometimes.
I just want to go back to the time when you auditioned. Nakaprepara ka ba ng kanta? Ganun ba yun? May prepared ka na kanta? Nakakantahin mo doon?
Yes. My favorite song for all time is I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston. And so that was my #1 audition song on American Idol. I sang that throughout all the stages of American Idol until I got to TV.
Pwede ba makahiling konti?
And I will always love you.
Ay, alam ka ba daw Tagalog na kanta?
The song off of my album.
Ano?
Kung Paano by Benny Saturno.
Oh, really?
Very beautiful
Sige
song.
nga.
Okay. Bakit ba ganyan ang damdamin? Alaalay, sadyang ikaw sa pag-iisa'y nakikita. Bakit lagi ay naroon ka?
Pero totoo naman, Jasmine, in such a short time, napakarami mo ng fans dito sa Pilipinas.
I know. I really can't believe it, and I'm so grateful for that, to be receiving all this support, and that is exactly what keeps me motivated and keeps my hopes high for the future.
Would you like to talk to your fans?
Yes, I just want to say maraming salamat po sa lahat for all the support, for all the love. It really means the world to me, and I'm going to keep on going and keep on representing for all of you until my huge dream comes true.
And your family?
Thank you so much for the unconditional love and support. You guys have been there since the beginning, and I love you guys to death. I don't know what I'd do without you, but I want to say thank you so much for understanding what I do and for supporting me all the way.
Jasmine, thank you very, very much. And it seems to me that you're really one young lady who really knows what you want in life. And we wish you all the luck for that. And we thank you na pinayagan mo kaming gamitin ang bahagi ng buhay mo para kapulutan ng inspirasyon ng ating mga televiewers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bagamat hindi na panalunan ni Jasmine ang ultimate prize sa American Idol, naani naman niya ang paghanga at pagmamahal ng mga kababayan nating Pilipino dito sa Pilipinas at maging sa ibang bahagi ng mundo. At dahil dito, may tuturing natin siyang isang tunay na Pinoy idol na laging magpapaalala sa atin ng ating mga kakayahan bilang mga Pinoy ay tunay na world class. Ako po si Mel Tiangco at ito ang kwento ng bawat isa sa atin. Ngayon, bukas at magpakailanman.
Magpakailanman, hindi magbabago ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso.
Some emotion, baby, baby, now here we go. Are you ready for the ultimate show? Baby, baby, now here we go. Crazy party and the ultimate show. Stand up till you lose control. All we need is a little bit of action. Freak, freak, baby, till I lose control. Move the body, keep with your reaction. Stand up till you lose control. All we need is a little get up, stand up, give a little bit of get up, stand up, give a little bit of get up, stand up, give a little bit of get up, stand up, give a little bit of show me your moves, don't be shy, just work that. I'll show you my style, ain't nothing like